Hi, this is John and Aaron, and on today's workshop, we're going to talk about using the Kicker WARHORSE amplifiers to build your perfect system. We're going to give you 3 different examples from bass to full range, and you're going to see how easy these amplifiers integrate into any audio enthusiast system. The first system we're going to talk about is just adding a ton of bass to your system. That's going to be using the Kicker WARHORSE 3600.1. This is a 3600 watt amplifier that requires a ton of power. So you're going to want to use the Kicker wire. You're going to run 2 sets of 1-aught power and 2 sets of 1-aught ground to this amplifier to ensure it gets all the current it needs. You're also going to make sure you have at least a 180 amp alternator, and I would highly recommend a second battery as close to the amplifier as possible to ensure this amplifier gets all the current it needs to give you that 3600 watts of output into 1 ohm.
The WARHORSE 1000.4 is the perfect 4-channel amplifier to run in 3-channel mode. What am I talking about? Take 2 channels, turn on the high-pass filter, and run your mids and your highs. You can use the Street Series or our regular KS components or whatever speakers you have. Then take channels 3 and 4, bridge them, and run it in low-pass mode. 1,000 watts RMS to a 10-inch or 12-inch or even a 15-inch Solo X woofer, plenty of power for pounding out the bass. So a very simple 3-channel system that does not require major electrical upgrades to your audio system. You can use an adequate stock alternator and an adequate stock battery without having to add separate charging systems or additional batteries. So there's a 3-channel system from this incredible 4-channel WARHORSE amplifier.
Now let's talk about the ultimate kicker system using the WARHORSE amplifiers. The 3600 one is great to run any combination of subwoofers you want with 3600 watts of power at 1 ohm. Now, you've got the 1000.4. This amplifier will run 4 speakers full range at 4 ohms at 250 watts per channel, or you can run 3-channel mode, as Aaron said, for an entire system, or you've got one other trick up your sleeve. You can run this amplifier with a high-pass output and a band pass for mid-range output, and then your subwoofer amplifier for a full active 3-way crossover system. Just make sure you have adequate power. You got good Kicker 1-aught power wire going to both these amplifiers. You have at least 1 extra, if not 2 extra batteries. You've got a 180 amp alternator or more, and you want to make sure you do that big 3 upgrade to ensure your electrical system is operating at top performance. That's going to be the ultimate kicker system, and you're going to love it.
Thanks for spending a few minutes with us in this Kicker WARHORSE workshop. We appreciate your time and your attendance, and now you know exactly what these amplifiers are capable of. If you have more questions, go to kicker.com.